How to make money on BlueSky app. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can make money on BlueSky app. So let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So making money on BlueSky can be different from other traditional social platforms, as it is a very decentralized network focused on community and engagement rather than advertising heavy models. So however, in order to monetize your presence by leveraging your audience and expertise, there are some strategies that you may follow in order to do so. So if you're a business account, you may just sell your products or services. You may just promote your physical products, for example, your handmade goods or merchandise. In order to do that, you may just create posts and make unique posts that is more eye-catching for other people, like promote your physical products, offer digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses for other people, your followers, and provide services such as consulting, coaching, and freelance work as well, which will help attract your audience. The next thing is you may just directly support from your followers, like set up a donation or tipping link on your profile. Just head over to the profile on your bio. You may just set up a donation or tipping link through your platforms like PayPal or Ko-fi. Offer different kind of exclusive content or perks to your supporters. And the next thing is you may also use subscription models, like use platforms like Patreon or Substack to offer premium content and provide BlueSky exclusive bonuses for your subscriber to incentivize your support. The next thing is affiliate marketing. In order to do so, you may just share products or services that you generally recommend and earn a commission through affiliate links, post reviews on tutorials, highlighting the benefits of your products that you're providing, and crowdfund your projects. Use BlueSky to promote crowdfunding campaigns, for example, Kickstarter and GoFundMe for creative business ventures, and also share progress updates to keep your audience engaged and involved. You may also host different kind of events or classes, like offer online workshops, webinars, or live events, and promote them on BlueSky. Use platforms like Zoom, Eventbrite, or Gumroad to sell tickets. And you may also collaborate with different kind of brands, like search for different kind of brands on your BlueSky application, reach out to the companies on your niche and let them discover you as you grow your audience as well. And you may also create and sell NFTs if it is relevant. If you're an artist, musician, or content creator, leverage decentralized aspects of BlueSky to share and sell NFTs. And the next thing is you may promote your own business, drive through your own website, Etsy shop, or other e-commerce platforms. Use BlueSky as a way to build your relationships that funnel into your sales and offer exclusive communities as well. And in order to make it successful, just don't over promote it, like balance the promotional content with valuable, engaging posts. And as the platform grows, explore more innovative monetization opportunities specific to its ecosystem. So therefore, you may just take these tips in order to, make money using your BlueSky application earn your money on BlueSky social app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.